What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a short tutorial on how you can install your own custom-made brushes into Adobe Photoshop. Now I have a Windows machine, I don't have a Mac, so I don't know how it works with Mac. I'm sure it's fairly similar, but I want to walk you through how to do it on a Windows computer. I try to make these tutorials fairly short, so you can just come into YouTube, check them out, click on them, find what you need, and then leave. I know it's frustrating going through all these tutorials and trying to go through and listening to stories, so we're just going to make this short, sweet, and to the point. But I do need my shameless plug. This is my own custom brush pack, the Light Fluffy Cloud brushes, which can be found on my website with a link in the description below. You can buy your own clouds to paint into any Photoshop photo that you wish. When you download it, whether it's on my website or any other website, it'll usually be in a zip file. Unzip it, and then you'll get this ABR file, which you'll use to install your brushes into Photoshop. Now, to install your brushes in Photoshop, it's very simple. When you open up Photoshop, you want to see these brushes over here. It's called brushes. Super simple to figure it out. Click on it, and then you get this menu of all your brushes here. Now, I already have it installed, but I'll install it again to show everybody. You'll go up to these hamburgers up here, and then you'll click about halfway down to Import Brushes. You want to go and navigate your Windows Explorer to find out where you put your brushes. I already had mine pulled up, so go ahead and click that. Click Load, and then boom, right there, in a matter of seconds, you have all of these amazing brushes. And I really love these because I took these right outside of my apartment, and you really can't even tell that they're fake, especially when you get your colors just right. They really blend in perfectly with the image. So if you like them, why don't you swing by my website? It's $2 right now for this collection of 8 brushes. You can do this install with any brush pack you have, but I do have my own brush pack that you can buy from my website. So awesome. Well, I hope that was helpful, everybody. Make sure you swing back by my website for more tutorials, more stories. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button so you're always up to date with new content coming out. Thanks, everybody.